Did you know that creating foreign accounts or UK accounts or US accounts or any European TikTok account is actually very easy and simple? You don't need to pay any money or do any special thing. I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create a UK account and start making money on your TikTok videos. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So now one of the first thing which you want to do is the fact that you need to be able to create a new Gmail account. Now, if you already have an account before, you can't be able to use your old account. This is actually meant for you creating a new TikTok account, and this is actually how you'll be able to create a UK or US TikTok account and start creating content and start making those dollars that they actually talk about. One of the first things which you want to do is to be able to create a Gmail, a new Gmail, or maybe if you have an old Gmail, don't worry, I got you. Just forget about this procedure. But if you want to, maybe you want to just create something new and be able to start using this foreign account to be able to start making money, this is actually for you. Now, one of the first things which you want to do is to create a Gmail account. You already know the procedure. You go to your Gmail app, then sign up, put in your information, create the account, and create your password and all that. That's just by the way. So now, after creating your Gmail account, so I'm using this particular one I'm creating as a demo for you to be able to actually understand how this thing work. So now I'm creating a new Gmail account. I've been able to put my information, then I'm putting the dates of birth. So this is actually one of the ways in which you can be able to create the Gmail account. So now after creating the Gmail account, select the gender and all that. The next thing which you want to do is to select any of these Gmail accounts. So I'm going to be selecting this particular one, which is the first one, which is what I'm going to be using. So it is optional. Then you now need to do what? Create a strong password for the Gmail account. So now after using creating the password for that, and this is just an experiment. So after this, I'm going to be deleting this particular Gmail because it's of no use for me, because I'm just showing you how you can be able to create a Gmail account. Now, after creating the Gmail account, the password and all that, then now you can decide to add a number or you can just skip, but I prefer skipping it. Then the next thing is to now go to the Gmail account after creating this Gmail account, which is what I'm going to be doing. After I agree to everything, the next is to now come to the Gmail account to know if the Gmail account is actually created, and this is actually it. You can see that is created. Then now the next thing which you want to do is to now go to TikTok. Now you need to be able to have the TikTok app already on your smartphone or on your device. You don't need to worry yourself about maybe using your browser to create it. It's really not necessary. Now you just need to do what? Go to your TikTok account, go to your TikTok app. Now what you need to do is to come to this place, come to switch account. Now at the switch account, this is where you're going to see this is actually my two TikTok accounts which I'm using. And now you have to do what? Create a new account, which is add account. I'm actually adding account to this particular this thing. Now there's actually a secret over here. I'm going to be showing you where the whole secret of this foreign account lies in this place, and it's very simple. So now one of the first things which you want to do is to change your location first before adding your Gmail account. Then you come to this place which is at the down, then you come to the country. Now you can decide if you want to use a UK. Now I'll be using UK, which is United Kingdom, as my location. Now once I select it, the next thing is for me to now sign in my Gmail account, the same Gmail account which I created. Now once I sign in my Gmail account on this thing, I will just put it here. After I've been able to select the region, I've been able to select the country. Now once I select it, I select accept and all that. Then I will now need to go to my Gmail account to be able to verify this email. Now look at what I'm going to be doing. I'm now going to minimize this, then come to my Gmail to refresh. You can see that the code has arrived on my Gmail account, which simply shows that the Gmail account is actually working now. So I'll just copy the code, then come to this place and fix the code on the verify email. Now once I put the code, you can see that it will now ask me to put in my information, which is date of birth and all that. So now after I select, I'm just using this as an experiment. I'll delete all this once I'm done. So I can just select any date of birth, year and month. Now after selecting all that, now the next thing is for me to do is to be able to create a password, create a strong password. I can decide to use the same password for the Gmail also on this TikTok account. It's just a matter of choice or preference. So now after selecting, inputting the password, creating the password, the next thing is to add your normal things, your your biography, your details, your nickname, and all that. Now I will need to add my nickname. You can see that this account has been created, and this is actually a UK account. It's very simple, guys. You can see that. See how simple this actually is. So now I'm going to be showing you some of the benefits people get. Now, some of the benefits is that once you're able to hit certain number of subscribers, you've been able to build the account. You can be able to apply for creators program. With that, you start making money, and you get paid for your views and all that when you post content, when you post videos on your particular channel. So now this is it. I can, so for this particular one, you can come to edit and type in your information, change the name and all that. Then type your biography, that's your data, your information about the channel or the content in which you want to be doing. You can decide to clip, and in time to come I'm going to do another video on clipping, whereby how people are actually making money clipping these big creators content, and with that it's actually legal and you tend to make money on this particular kind of content. So now for this, now let's come back to what we are actually doing on TikTok. So now after you put in your details and all that, you can see something. I'm going to be showing you something which you need to know. Now you come to accounts, which is where we're going to be able to confirm if this is actually a UK account. Now this location is actually one of the most important things. That's what differentiates a an African country account and a foreign account, because of the region. So now if this region doesn't appear on your account, it simply means you will not get paid for your content and all that. But with this, you can be able to make money and all that. So now once you come to account information, you can see over here is United Kingdom, which is exactly what we did while creating the account. You can see that this account is actually a foreign account, a UK account. And once you are going through your FYP, you see that the kind of content in which they will be presenting to you are foreign contents, because that is the geography, the location in which you actually picked for your account, and that shows that the account is actually from that particular region. So this is how you create a UK account. Now I'm going to show you another thing, some of the creator programs. There's actually a whole lot of benefits when you're using foreign accounts, because you get paid for your content and you also go live, and you also tend to make more money for your content and your videos and other things. So now you can see how this whole thing looks like. You can see the creator program. Now you can come to this place. Once you get monetized, this is the monetization, you start making money. There's actually a whole lot of benefits while using foreign accounts. So don't let anybody deceive you. There's actually benefits using a foreign account. So creator rewards program, once you meet this criteria, you are qualified to start making money for your content. So I believe you find this video very interesting, very helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Have a blessed day. See you on the next one.